Guys, we bought a Skull Panda. This is going to be my first Skull Panda. Mommy paid. Hee hee hee. I want to get this. Okay, Mama. Oh. This is the pink one I wanted. Yay! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's the pink.
1,000.
So cute. So cute. This is my first Skull Panda and it's so cute. We are flying with Emirates. It's my first time. We're going to Dubai. Board. 3,998. Disney gave me this cute bag for free. It's so cute. They also gave me like a little like coloring paper. 6 hours and 34 minutes until we go to Dubai. Got this kind of like bread butter. Wait, look at mouse, y'all. Eat my food and stuff like that. We are going to Dubai in 5 hours and 18 minutes. Say hi, Mom. Hi. So, I have watched 3 movies, 4 hours and 44 minutes. So, I'm going to edit my videos on my iPad. And 45 minutes left to go. Going to sleep, guys. Love you guys. Wow. Finally in Dubai. Thanks for watching. Bye.